It is February 2nd, 2020, and I just checked the weather and it is 49 degrees. Now compared to last year, it was negative 30 degrees. What a difference a year makes. So what am I going to do to take advantage of today? I'm going to go out and take some photos, of course. Now the crazy thing to me is that I know tomorrow when I talk to people and ask them what did they do over the weekend, they're going to say not much. That's just crazy to me. Look how beautiful it is out here today. 49 degrees. That is 80 degrees different than it was last year. 80 degrees. How could you not be outside? Now I just got here and I set up my drone. I'm using the DJI Mavic Air. It's one of my favorite drones and I'm about to send it over the water. Now a lot of people hate flying over the water, but what's the point of having a drone if you're too afraid to fly it? Let's get this in the air. Now here at the Palisades, there's a beautiful vantage point looking onto the Cedar River. Now as you can see, you can be up top with the lookout or down here on the rocks. But anywhere you go, you can get a beautiful photo.